Hello and welcome to another B1UP tips and tricks session. Today we will have a look at how to prevent duplicate data. So let's have a look at the problem. This could example be in business partner master data. So at some point we will make a business partner and we will call them Tom Jensen. We will add him and that's a good thing. Few days, weeks, months down the line, you need to add Tom Jensen, and you forget to check if he's already there. So we end up with Tom Jensen. Try to add him. And in a normal system, you would just have been allowed to do that. But in my case, I wasn't allowed because I have duplicates turned on. So let me show you what that is. Under usability in toolbox, if you don't have the right clicks and you're not a super user, you need to go to administration, add-ons, usability package, module configuration, toolbox configuration. But under usability, I have this prevent duplicate entries. Let me try to turn it off and see what happens if I just keep it. Then SAP don't care that we now have, oops, we need to go to file map. Don't really care that we have two Tom Jensens. One of them might already have purchased something, now you need to do the merge work and so on. So you don't really want to do that. So again, this can be turned on. It's off by default. But if you turn it on, you can see that it affects right now business partner, item master, asset master data, item groups, and warehouses. And for each of them, you can choose, do you want to warn, like we saw before, or do you want to block? So if you want to be absolutely sure that this doesn't happen, so I will try to make another Tom. Let's just imagine there's only one right now. So, and I will even write it in a different case, like this, and say add, and I'm told I can't do that because it will result in multiple entries in the same name, and I'm not allowed to continue. Again, had I gone in, set warn instead, did the same, I would be given the choice of actually allowing it or not, because it could be that you need it, for example, as a lead instead. Or, for example, when you go as a vendor, do the same, Tom Jensen. You might want to have him both as vendor and lead, but now you're at least being told about that you might have something in the same way. And of course, it won't really know if it suddenly have LTD, for example, at the end. It's not the same. So it can only do it with the exact name, but it will probably help you going into this scenario where you have multiple Toms. Suddenly go here, Tom, and now I actually have 4 of them. Yes, it would only have saved us 2 of them, but it's better than nothing, given the fact that it's a simple checkbox in your configuration of usability package that you already have. So that, thank you for attending, and see you next time.